Hello, welcome to Megger's technical support video series Frequently Asked Questions. In this video, we will discuss exporting logs from the Megger TTRU3 transformer turns ratio meter. Let's get started. So why would we need instrument logs? Primarily for troubleshooting. When there are issues with the instrument operation or questions on the software operation, instrument logs can be a valuable tool that the Megger team can review to investigate issues and answer customer questions. To begin exporting logs from the TTRU3, you would need a USB flash drive. In addition to that, you would need to record the relevant date and time the issue occurred. Recording the date and time enables the engineering and product support team to determine the details of the workings of the instrument. Now, let us look at the steps to export logs from the TTRU3. At first, you would turn the unit on. After that, you would insert a thumb drive into any USB-A port. After that, you would access the About screen on the TTRU3. Once you select the About screen, a new screen should pop up with options including detailed system information, export logs, and update system. So find and select the export log option. After selecting the export logs option, the transfer will begin and you will have the transfer in progress window appear. After the transfer is complete, logs are exported with date and timestamps, and you will see a message that says the records have been saved to the designated folder. The exported file name will have a .tar extension and will have a file type of GZ. Once you have the file, email this file to Megger for further investigation and troubleshooting. This concludes exporting logs from the Megger TTRU3 transformer turns ratio meter. Visit the Megger YouTube channel for more videos including technical webinars, product overviews, and other how-to presentations similar to this one. Contact us for questions or more information about this topic or for any support you may need for your electrical testing.